Hello children, welcome to this class of 8th standard second language English. Today we are going to an interesting topic, quality of mercy. We must have good qualities, and among them the quality of mercy is one of them. And this lesson tells us the quality of mercy. I am going to tell you a story. Once, two ladies came to the court of a king with a baby, and both claimed that the child is theirs. The minister suggested that the child be split into two, and each half be given to both the ladies. The first lady agreed to the suggestion, but the second lady said that instead of splitting the baby, let her have the whole baby. Dear children, the minister immediately ordered that the baby should be given to the second lady, and the first lady must be put in jail. Let's see the picture, and you see there is ordering to split the baby into two. I hope you understood the story. Now let me ask few questions on this story. First one, what did each woman claim? Tell me. Yes. What did each woman claim? They both claimed the child. There was only one child, but there were two ladies, and both were claiming it's mine, it's mine. Adu nannadu, adu nannadu. And the second question is, what did the minister suggest? See, both were fighting, quarreling, and the minister had an idea, and he suggested something. What was that? That the baby split into two. Andre maguna ಎರಡು ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡಿ ಕತ್ತರಿಸಿ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ತುಂಡು ಕೊಡಿ. ಏನಾಯಿತು? What happened? What happened? Yes. And the second lady says, no, no. Why do you think that the second lady offered the child to the first lady after the minister's suggestion? Why? ಯಾಕೆ? ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಎಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ರಿಯಲ್ ಮದರ್, ನಿಜವಾದ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಮಗು ಎರಡು ಭಾಗ ಆಗೋದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಶಿ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಹರ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕಿಲ್ಡ್. ಸಾಯೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರ ಹತ್ರ ಸುಖವಾಗಿ ಇರಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆ ನಿಜವಾದ ತಾಯಿಯ ಆಸೆಯಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಈಸ್, what was the judgment? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ the minister, what was the judgment, final judgment? Yes, the real mother never wanted her child to be hurt, but the other lady had no mercy for the child, and the minister came to know who the real mother and ordered that the first lady be put in jail. And the first lady should be put into the jail. You understood? This is the quality of mercy. Based on this quality of mercy, today we have a lesson, the swan and the princess. The swan and the princess. See, this is a folk play. What do you mean by folk play? Folk means janapada. Means ಜನರ ಬಾಯಿಂದ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಹರಿದು ಬಂದ ಕತೆ. So it is in the form of a play. In English, play means, in English literature, play means ನಾಟಕ. ಈ ಗದ್ಯ ಭಾಗ ನಾಟಕ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಜಾನಪದ ನಾಟಕ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Okay, dear children, before going into the lesson, ನಾಟಕ, drama, play, we must have ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪಾತ್ರಧಾರಿಗಳು. ಈ ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವ ಪಾತ್ರಧಾರಿಗಳು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಶುದ್ಧೋಧನ. ಶುದ್ಧೋಧನ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಪಿಲವಸ್ತು. ಆ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಹೆಸರು ಕಪಿಲವಸ್ತು. ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಪಿಲವಸ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ. ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಪಿಲವಸ್ತು. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ, ಕಪಿಲವಸ್ತುವಿನ ರಾಜನ ಮಗ. ದೆನ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್? ದೇವದತ್. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥಸ್ ಕಸಿನ್. ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನ ದೊಡ್ಡಪ್ಪನ ಮಗ. ಸೊ he is a cousin. And naturally there is the chief minister, there are ministers and the guard. These are the characters come across in this lesson. Now would you please open your textbooks? Please open your textbooks, page number 75, and the lesson in unit 5, the swan and the princess. See, here the whole story is who owns a bird. A bird. In this lesson we see the swan, and the controversy or the problem is the bird is the swan. The swan is belongs to whom? Is it to Siddhartha or to Devadatta? See, I am going to read. Please follow in your textbook, page number 76, after the character. After the character. Okay. And this is the court of the king of Kapilavastu, and the guard keeps on saying, "Long live the king, sir. Prince Devadatta wants to come in." King, "Bring him in." Chief Minister, "I wonder why Prince Devadatta wants to see the king at this time." Second Minister, "Perhaps he wants to complain against someone." The guard enters with Devadatta. Both of them bow to the king. King, "What is it, Devadatta? Why have you come to me at this time?" Devadatta, "Sir, the prince will not give me my swan. I want justice from you." ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ರಾಜನ ಆಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುವ ಮೊದಲು ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಆಸ್ಥಾನದ ಆ ಸೈನಿಕರ ಅಪ್ಪನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ರಾಜನ ಮಗನಾದರೂ ಸಹ ಆಸ್ಥಾನದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ಪನೇ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಬರುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಹಿ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ರಾಜ ಆಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಾಗಿರುವಾಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೇನು ಕೆಲಸ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, "ಪರ್ಹ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಹಿ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ವನ್." ಯಾರದೋ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು ಇವನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇವದತ್ತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲಿಂಗ್, ನಗುತ್ತಾ, "ಬಿ ಕಾಮ್ ದೇವದತ್ತ. ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ ಟೇಕನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ವಾಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯು?" ದೇವದತ್ತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, "Yes sir, he has. I shot it and it fell on the ground near the prince. He picked it up and said he would not give it to me. I shot it, it fell near him, he picked it up and said he would not give it to me." King, "That's very naughty of Siddhartha." ನೋಡಿ, that's very naughty. ಏನು naughty? ನೀವು ತುಂಟಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಮಿಸ್ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸರ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಏಯ್ ನಾಟಿ ಬಾಯ್, ನಾಟಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಹೇಳಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ರಾಜ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನಾಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಮ್. ನಾಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಿಸ್ಬಿಹೇವಿಂಗ್, ತುಂಟಾಟ. ಗೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಹಿಮ್. ರಾಜ ಆಜ್ಞೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಗೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಹಿಮ್. ದ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಬೌಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಔಟ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಆಗ ಮೂರನೇ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಮೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅವನ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗೆ, ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಟು ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್, "ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಡ್. ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಆಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸ್ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಡ್. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಪದ LAD, ಲ್ಯಾಡ್. ಲ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾಯ್, ಬಾಲಕ. He can't do a thing that is wrong. ನೋಡಿ, he can't do a thing that is wrong. ಆಗ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸೇಸ್ yes, I agree with you. I agree with you. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದ ನಂತರ, after some time, the guard enters with Prince Siddhartha, who has a white swan in his arm. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅವನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಯಗೊಂಡಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಾನ್. ಸ್ವಾನಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? ಹಂಸ. ಸ್ವಾನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಂಸ. ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಯಗೊಂಡಂಥ ಒಂದು ಹಂಸ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಕಿಂಗ್ Siddhartha, Devdutt says that you have taken his swan. Is that the swan which you took from him? Is that ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ನೋಡಿ. Is that the swan which you took from him? Siddhartha says, Your Highness. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮರ್ಯಾದೆಯಿಂದ, ಗೌರವದಿಂದ, ಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಅವನು ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದರೂ ರಾಜರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಯುವರ್ ಹೈನೆಸ್. ನೋಡಿ, ರಾಜರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡುವಾಗ ಯುವರ್ ಹೈನೆಸ್, ಮಹಾಪ್ರಭುಗಳೇ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹಿಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹಿಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈನ್. ಅದು ನನ್ನದು. ಐ ಶಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆ್ಯರೋ. ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ ಸಾರಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಜಂಪ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲಿ. ಯುವರ್ ಹೈನೆಸ್, ದೇವದತ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ವಾನ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಸ್ವಾನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನ್. ದೇವದತ್, No, Your Highness, it is not his, it is mine. I shot it with an arrow. Siddhartha is telling a lie. Telling a lie. ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಕಿಂಗ್, ರಾಜ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಿ ಕಾಮ್ ದೇವದತ್, ಕಾಮ್, ಶಾಂತವಾಗಿರು. ಯು ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ಸ್ವಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಶಾಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ರೈಟ್? Devdutt, yes sir, that is quite right. King, what do you say Siddhartha? What do you say Siddhartha? ನೀನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ? What do you say that the swan is yours? ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ the swan is yours? Interesting, right? ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥನ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮುಂದಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥನ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಈಗ ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮುಗಿದ ನಂತರ ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೌ ಯು ಸಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯೋರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ C1 there are few questions, and today I am going to give you two questions. That is, one, what was the complaint of Devdutt against Prince Siddhartha? Got it? I repeat, what was the complaint of Devdutt against Prince Siddhartha? What was that? The answer is, Devdutt complained against Siddhartha that the prince would not give his swan, so he wanted justice. So he wanted justice. Justice is Nyaya. The next question is, what made Devdutt and Siddhartha approach the king? Nodi, both Devdutt and Siddhartha approached the king. The answer is, once Devdutt shot a swan and it fell near Siddhartha. Siddhartha saved its life. When Devdutt asked the swan, Siddhartha refused to give it. So they both approached the king for justice. Beautiful, very simple, and this is a very easy lesson and a nice lesson with plenty of moral. Okay, now we'll go to homework. When I come for the next class, I am going to ask you the answers for these questions. Here, the first question is a fill in the blank. The swan and the princess is a dash. Now you have 4 choices there. Is it a story? Is it a novel? Is it a lyric or a folk play? You have to choose the right answer. Second one, Devdutt shot the swan with an dash. You have to write the answer from the textbook. You have no choice here. And the third question, Devdutt made complaint against dash. This also you have to find out your own answer. Now fourth one is little different. See, here is the statement. The statement says, "Sir, the prince will not give my swan. I want justice from you." See, this is statement selected from the textbook. The statement says, once again I repeat for you, "Sir, the prince will not give my swan. I want justice from you." Now, you will be asked 3 questions on this statement and you have to answer. So, this is a preparation for you. The same thing will have in 9th and as well as in 10th standard. So, you have to learn now only. The first question for you is A. Who is the I? In that statement you see I want justice. I and the nano. Who is the I? The I is dash. B. Who is the sir? See there in the statement, sir, it is addressed to somebody. Now, who is sir here? And C. Who did not give his swan? He says, the prince will not give my swan. So, the question is, who did not give his swan? If you are careful, the answer is there only. Dear children, did you enjoy the class? I hope you have. And until I meet you in the next class, goodbye. Have a nice time.